Hello, and thank you so much for checking out this new 2021 idea book video. So I'm just going to walk you through the catalog really quick so that you can take a look and see what some of our products are for this year. So I'm so excited for you to check this out. Here we go. So right from the beginning, we have a couple of things for you to take a look at. It's just basically how we put together our projects and some awesome things that we offer. So you can put your vinyl design directly on a wall. You can put it on a soft surface. You can put it on a hard surface that you already have, or we do obviously sell surfaces. So what you'll do to create your DIY project is you'll begin with picking a saying or vinyl design that you like. You're going to start there, and then you're going to choose a coordinating surface. The surfaces that are available for each vinyl design are listed underneath that particular design. Then you'll choose some accessories to accessorize your sign if needed, and then you will put it all together. Throughout our catalog, I will show you some of the awesome things that we have. One being word swap, another being personalized. We also have a graphic swap, and then some of our designs can be cut. So I'll show you some of that stuff as we go through. I did also want to mention that as a host, you do get rewarded for your workshops that you do. You can ask your creator for some more information about that. Something else that we offer that's so exciting is we have a monthly craft club. It's a subscription box that you can cancel at any time. It's really awesome. Everything that's in there is exclusive, and the designs and sometimes even the surfaces and products that are in there are totally exclusive to the craft club, which is really exciting. And then also, if you are looking to get paid to have fun, we are always looking for workshop instructors or people that just love to create and would like to be a hobbyist creator. You can ask your creator for some more information about that. Right from the beginning, you can see we have our charity of the year, which this year is the Down Syndrome Diagnosis Network. And so any of the designs on these pages will be donated to, a portion of the proceeds will be donated to our charity. Each of the designs over here too also get a stencil little ribbon that you can use to paint whatever color you want if you have one for a specific charity. So throughout the catalog, it's organized by section. Like I said, I'm just going to zoom in here. If you see that it says WS, that means word swap. So that means one or more of the words within these sayings can be swapped out. Now, you will just want to check with your creator to see what word or words or area it is, because sometimes it's just one word, sometimes it's a whole sentence, sometimes the whole design is actually a word swap, which is pretty exciting. And then, like I said, underneath are your surface numbers. Now, the price that you see here and the size is just for the vinyl only. So if you're attaching to this to a wall, that's the price you'll pay. If you're going to be adding a surface, this is just the price for the vinyl, and you'll want to pay attention to the surface number there. Up here at the top, you see these little houses. So this house tells you how many colors of vinyl are going to be for that project. So you'll notice that this one is black and gray, whereas this one is just all black. That means that this will come as one piece, one vinyl design, one vinyl color. This one will come as two pieces because the words backyard patio with this little swoop and the two beer bottles are going to be a secondary color. So you'll get to pick two colors of vinyl for that one versus only one for this one. Let's see. Oh, here's a cut design I can show you. So you can see right down at the bottom here on this design, you'll see that there are the scissors and the cut symbol. That means that this is designed to be cut. So as you can see when I scroll back up, these door tags here have that same kind of cut design. So you'd put welcome to our on one and home on the other, or whichever design you wanted. Okay, and then next I need to show you personalized. So I'll go over to this one. I wanted to show you this one too. This coffee drinking F-bomb dropping supermom is a word swap. Each line is a word swap on that one. So I have actually right next to me, I don't know if you can see it, I am actually drinking out of a cup, one of our rainbow tumblers, and I have that same design on it. It says coffee drinking F-bomb dropping glitter throwing DIY sign lady. So you can really customize that one a lot. I just liked the coffee drinking F-bomb dropping part. All right, here we go through some of our personalized. So again, anytime you see a P, it means that you are going to have some part of it personalized. So for this one, it's the last name and the established. For this one, again, names, established. Also, the state is also personalized too. You'll be able to change that too. Anywhere that you see the 2+, that means that it's going to be overlaying. So you have to choose 2 different colors. Whereas, for example, this farmhouse-ish has the 2 colors. You could choose if you wanted all of that to be white, and it would just come on one sheet. It would be all the words would be white. Whereas with this one, because it overlaps, you can't choose both to be white. You can't have the state be white and the words because they overlap, you won't be able to read them. So I hope that makes sense. Let's see. So everything is organized by category. If you notice here, we do have some CIYs above above particular pictures, and that is a create it yourself, and that's just a really easy way to, if you're someone that's just like, I like that project exactly how it is, I want it on that sign, I want it that size, I want exactly as shown, then you just tell your creator you want CIY 162, and that price is for the entire project minus shipping, obviously. Okay, and I think that's it for the vinyl designs that I need to tell you about. If you are putting it on a doormat, you do need to get it on, you need to get a stencil versus vinyl. If you are getting an iron-on, you'll want to make sure that you tell your creator that you're going to be putting it on an iron-on. Same thing for bags, any soft surfaces. I do recommend the iron-on unless you really want to do it as a stencil. So here's a graphic swap down the bottom here. We have this number 12 Joshua with the football. You can choose any graphic. We do also have an entire graphic section sheet as well. That's like a separate thing. Okay, and then another thing I want to tell you about are these customized. So you can create a custom design. Now, Life Expressions offers us to be able to create custom no matter what. We can choose something from Pinterest or Etsy or something that you have seen, and as long as you have a picture of it or as long as you have some idea, our designers can create it for you for a small custom fee. Now, if you would like to create something custom without the custom fee, then we do have these designs. So this one is an example for a create your own square that's like a definition. So you could have this be any word. It could be the word camper, and then it could say, exactly in the definition, whatever definition you want, not obviously a real definition if you don't want it to be. Same thing with this. You can have this say, home is where the heart is. And it'll just look like this. So the text will be this way, the font will be this way, but you can choose the saying. Okay, same thing for this. You could say L is for Laura. Same thing for this. You can have it be any saying. It's just going to be however you want. Okay, so here is an example of that. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset, and the same thing. This is the same setup, just a different saying. So just to give you an idea for that. We also do have some things for organization, so that you can add, you can create your own. This is actually a chalkboard, because we do have a chalkboard additive that you can make any color chalkboard, which is super amazing. But yeah, we can do letters that you can stick directly onto cabinets or drawers or bins, anything that you want to label. Really exciting. And here's some more, again, personalized things that can be added to either, we do have the acrylic frame boards, and those are dry erase, or you can use the chalkboard additive and make a chalkboard. Let's see, some more graphic swaps down the bottom here, super cute. And then seasonal. Now, right now, if you're watching this in August, September-ish, we do have a fall so a lot of times throughout the year we have additional catalogs. So if you have already looked through this big one and you're looking for something more seasonal specific, just talk to your creator or take a look and see, because there are supplemental catalogs that have more designs. This main catalog just has a little bit of everything, but there is some additional. We do also have blocks. If you have any questions on those, let us know. And here are our paint colors and our vinyl lettering colors and our specialty vinyl colors, iron-on. Now the outdoor permanent gloss ones, those are the ones I suggest using for your cups. That or the permanent sparkle, which is what this one is, because it will make it stay on. If you're putting it on a cup, it'll make it stay on a little bit better. So here are the surfaces that go with each of those things. So again, you'll just go and whatever one you're looking at, you'll look underneath and say, okay, I could put this on 13, 11, or 7. Then you'll go to the back and find, okay, 13, 11, or 7. So here's 7. I can choose any of these, and that saying will fit on that one. Anything on here, anything on here. So I hope that answers all your questions about that. My best thing is, like, if you're not sure about all of this, just pick a saying that you really like and then message your creator and say, okay, I like this saying, help me with the rest. And they'll be happy to help you find a surface to put it on and help you pick out colors and things like that, because sometimes it can get a little bit overwhelming. So we don't want you to be overwhelmed. We want you to love this process. Accessories and things like that are in the back, but again, your creator can help you with all of that. So I hope you have enjoyed taking this catalog walk through with me. And again, if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to your creator. And if I'm your creator, then reach out to me. All right, everyone have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.